Let's read some words together that all have this sound. Do you recognize this sound? Right, it's E. So all of these words will have the E sound in them. So here are our first pictures. What does this say? Eel. Eel. Peel. So we'll put it with the peel. What does this say? B-E. Bee. Right. What does this say? B-eats. Beets. Where are the beets? Right, there they are. And what does this say? Tree. Tree. So we'll put it with the picture of the tree. Let's try with some different words with the E sound. Take a look at these pictures. What does this say? Beef. Beef. Right. So we'll put it with the picture of the beef. What does this say? Eat. Eat. Feet. Right. We'll put it with the picture of the feet. What does this say? Sleep. Sleep. So we'll put it with the picture of the sleep. What does this say? Jeep. 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 Right. So it belongs there. Thanks so much for coming to read all these words with the E sound with me. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.